What's up YouTube? Today I wanted to do like a little sleepy girl makeup look, but basically it's just gonna look like you've been sleepy or sleeping, and that's what your makeup looks like after you've been sleeping. If that makes sense. But yeah, so I'm gonna start with the brows. I don't want it to be like too full coverage, but I kind of need to cover up my old microblading. So I'm gonna use full coverage foundation to cut my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use this full filter concealer from Huda Beauty. But I'm only gonna use a little bit just so I can literally cover up the tattoo. But I kind of want to keep like the natural color of my eyes so that it gives like a sleepy girl look, because my eyes already be looking tired, you know what I'm saying? So I already feel like that was too much. And then to blend it out, I'm like debating if I should use my finger. Actually, yeah, we're gonna use the finger. And then try to just like keep it in place if you have to do what I'm doing to conceal some things. But what's nice about this look is that it doesn't have to be perfect, because it's supposed to look like you slept in it, you know? I'll do that to the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, so I did the other side. I'm gonna zoom you up so you can see a little better what I'm doing. So I just realized you were really fucking far away. And then to kind of give these like a little more of like an imperfect slept in, because you know your brows aren't gonna be perfect when you wake up. I'm gonna take a spoolie and cut. Okay, I need to see what I'm doing. You need to see what I'm doing. I need to see what I'm doing. I'm gonna just kind of brush like my hairs and kind of like diffuse like the concealer, I guess. I don't really have much to brush, but like if you have bushier brows, you can kind of make them like, you know, a little messier, I guess, like a little more like scruffy, but like in a cute way. But yeah, this is what the brows are looking like. Like I said, you want to keep like the redness of your eyes if you have that. If you don't, how does it feel to be God's favorite? And then for the base, it's gonna be pretty natural also. I'm gonna take this concealer, the same concealer though, and cover up all my blemishes and like red spots. That's not cute, whether we're sleepy or not, you know? And I'm gonna just let that sit for a while so that it can really like cover what it needs to cover, because if I go ahead and like blend it already, it's just kind of gonna not really do what I needed to do. In the meantime though, to emphasize the color of like the tiredness color, I'm gonna go in with this Flirty Talk palette from ColourPop, and I'm gonna go in with this like mauve shade right here. It's called Talk to Me. You don't want to do too much. I feel like this look is like pretty minimal, but like the details matter. Literally just a little bit, like I barely did anything honestly. Now I'm gonna take this little elf sponge and blend out these spots, and I'm gonna try to keep it in place as much as possible. Oh, this one hurts. I think like the most important thing about this look is just to keep your eyes like as like unconcealed as possible. Like a flawless base is cute, but like just not like a full like glam beat, but just like a flawless base, like as if it was just like, you know? I don't know if any of this makes sense. I'm like trying to explain it, but I feel like it's kind of hard to explain. I'm gonna go around my mouth though, because that's like some color that is not that cute to me. So I'm gonna just use whatever's left over around my mouth. I feel like I look tired. I'm gonna go in with this powder puff and take the closest Cloud Set pressed powder. I think it's in Breezy. I would think that's like the name of the shade, because I've been trying to figure this out like honestly for a while now, but I don't know. Either it's called Breezy Cloud Set powder or it's the Cloud Set powder in Breezy. Either way, I'm gonna take it and kind of just get some powder on this powder puff and set like where I put the concealer on my eyelid and kind of blend it into the pink shadow. And I'm using this because it's not so much of like a highlighting powder, and it looks like super natural, so like it goes good for this look. Next for the eyes, I want to go in with this Nova Beauty gel liner in Talk to You Later, TTYL. It's like a black gel liner, but it's got a little bit of like shimmer in it. I feel like that could be kind of cute. Either way, we're gonna smudge it out so that it looks like super stepped in. But you really just want to take like a little bit, like barely anything. You really just want to like almost like tight line your eyes. And I'm gonna just create like a little baby wing that's like microscopic, you can barely see it, and then tight line the rest. I was kind of inspired to do this look because I'm like so tired today. Like I'm honestly feeling like exhausted. I slept enough hours, but I just feel like I kept waking up like every few hours from like nightmares. And at some point I just like gave up on sleeping because I was like, all right, this just like, it's not rest. Like I'm literally more exhausted now than I was like before I went to sleep. I just broke my eye. Sparkles are so cute. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there's like sparkles. Honestly, I love all these like Nova Beauty gel liners. Then I'm gonna take this Sonia Kashuk smudge brush and blend out all of it. And even blend out the wing, make it look like it got smudged off, but there was a wing there before. And then the bottom, just like blend out also. And since there's like sparkles in this liner, it's kind of cute because the sparkles kind of like come down a little bit. But you can also just do this with like a matte black if you're not like a sparkle girly. And then for the nose contour, I gotta do a nose contour, you know me. I'm gonna do like a natural one, so I'm gonna go in with this Dior Forever Natural Bronze in number 4 and kind of just do a light little nose contour. And I didn't put any concealer on my nose, so it's still gonna look like kind of natural. I did do skincare, so it's still gonna grab on to the makeup. It's not just gonna like fall off. So that's it for the nose contour. To kind of like add to it though, I'm gonna use this faux freckle pen. But first I'm gonna do some blush. Honestly, Smashbox sent me like a bunch of makeup goodies, so I honestly might use this Halo Sheer to Stay color tint lip and cheek. It's in the color Wisteria. I think that's how you say it. I have to see the color first, honestly. I have no idea. Ooh, it looks pretty. Oh my god, it literally looks like a lip gloss. I have no idea what this is gonna do. I'm kind of scared. It feels like butter, like it just like melted into my skin. Yeah, we're definitely using them. I think I'm gonna put it on my hand first and then use the brush and then put it on my face. So I'm just gonna take some like that, blend it out a little bit. Okay, so it can be like super pigmented. See, this is why we test things out first. Like I don't even know what to do with this. Maybe I can just like already tap it. I don't know. I kind of want to put the blush like where I naturally have like pinkness, but I kind of want to bring it up like a little bit at the same time. Like I said, it literally blends out like butter like that. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I need this blush in like every color. I'm gonna add a little more, like whatever's left over. Like it looks intimidating because it has so much pigment, but like it blends out super, super easily. I'll just go straight in from my hand since I don't have any more on my finger and just kind of blend that. And I'm gonna like add a little bit over my nose also. I'm gonna add some on my forehead. To set my face, I'm gonna go back in with this set powder and just like set my whole T-zone. So I still want it to look like a little bit like as if like I woke up with not like a greasy face, but you know, like where like your natural oils are kind of like showing through a little bit since you slept in it. And then I'm gonna set under my eyes a little bit, but we're still gonna go in with the same shadow that we used like on the top of the lids on the bottom, so you don't have to go too crazy on the under eyes. And then for a nose highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Cookie highlight from Benefit. And then like I said, I'm gonna go in with that same Talk to Me mauve shade and kind of just like run that under my eyes a little bit. Just kind of add to the tiredness. I'm gonna just curl the lashes. And then for mascara, I think I'm gonna try out this new Smashbox mascara. It's called the Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. She's pretty. This is what the brush looks like. That is so pretty. Usually I like the thick, like fluffy brushes, but this brush like works really, really well. I'm very happy with it. And I'm gonna do that to the bottom also. Okay, so the eyes are finished. I'm gonna zoom you up so you can see them. It's definitely giving tired, it's definitely giving sleepy, but I feel like it's still cute. And I didn't do contour because I feel like every time you sleep, like contour kind of is like one of the first things to like go away. And the blush, like, you know, people usually have like a little bit of pinkness in their cheeks. So I feel like I swear to God, I'm hungry every single time I make a YouTube video. So wait, we should do Freckles. It's kind of gonna add to the contour. I'm gonna just go basically close to the center. I forgot. I literally just dropped this and I opened it again and I forgot that it was broken. I feel like some just fell out. I have to go get another one. Just use a different mirror then. Oh, also I kind of want to go in with like a brow gel. So I'm gonna go in with this Milk Fish Clear Brow. Just because I'm OCD like that. And then, like I said, for real this time, we're gonna go in with the Freckles. And I'm gonna keep them super, super light so that it just looks like I still have makeup on, but they're just showing through like a little bit. Then I think I'm gonna go and put some like a little bit right here. Also, I'm gonna go over like my bumps, like my blemishes, and create like little moles out of them. For lips, I'm gonna go in with this MAC Stone lip liner like always. And then I'm gonna just blend it out with my fingers so that it looks more natural. My lips are super chapped right now. I don't know why. I literally put chapstick on them last night before I went to sleep. I woke up and my whole like face felt like super dry and like I feel like it kind of goes with like a sleepy girl look. I'm so tempted to put a gloss on them. Maybe I'll just put like a little bit of this on the center. Okay. I feel like that already feels better. Yeah, that's basically it though. So this is the final look. Honestly, I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's really cute. And it's kind of like similar to the no makeup look, but it's kind of like the, I don't know, I think it's better honestly. And like with the hoodie, it gives like cozy girl vibes. Like I just woke up. I don't know if you can see the freckles, but they're there and they're just showing through like a little bit. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you recreate it, and don't be surprised if you see me in this look like a little more often because honestly, I'm feeling it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah.